This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Alice Greenly. This home feels like new, located in downtown Wendell, convenient to all amenities. New laminate floors and paint make this home shine. Fenced backyard and front porch to enjoy the outdoors. Outside storage building. Roof replaced in 2019. For more information, review the details below.